Your best way is to plan ahead. Don't come on a holiday weekend, not just Memorial Day or Labor Day or New Year's Eve, but President's Day or any day off that brings out half of California. And trust me, all of California knows all of these days. If you can come during the week, that's ideal. Otherwise, just price on the travel sites and look for bargains. Have in mind the type of hotel you want and try not to be specific. If you want a 5-star hotel, tell yourself that the Wynn, Encore, Bellagio, or Mandarin are all good and find out who's giving the best deals. If you don't go specific, you have the better chances of finding what you want at the price point that you want. You can buy in bulk if you have a big group that's coming out. If you have a wedding party or if you have a bachelor party and you're purchasing multiple rooms at the same time, you can ask for a discount as far as that goes. There's 2 ways to look at it. You can either purchase something far in advance or purchase something last minute. So you can bank on the fact that they're going to have extra rooms, so you're going to get a discount at the last minute, or you can purchase it so far in advance that the hotels don't have something booked, don't have a convention booked. Typically, when you go and find somebody having an amazing deal, they wouldn't purchase it a year in advance and then call it a concert or something like that came up at that hotel at the last minute. So the hotel price is actually skyrocketed. However, they'll still honor your actual hotel room when you purchase it a year in advance. You can't always count on there being a room at the last minute if you're going to go the opposite direction.